Stop right there. If your plant's leaves are turning yellow, you might be dealing with a silent killer. But don't worry. Stay with me. We're going to fix this together. In the last video, we talked about 3 hidden reasons for yellow leaves. Today we're continuing that list with 3 more causes you should never ignore. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next important tips. Cause number 1. Nutrient deficiency and old, exhausted soil. When the soil gets too old, your plant starts feeding on itself. And that's when the leaves turn yellow. The solution: replace the old soil with a fresh, airy mix. Then start a gentle feeding routine, using a balanced fertilizer. And keep the watering light and consistent. Cause number 2. Fungal disease, or tiny pests like spider mite scale or mealybugs. These little guys suck the life out of your plant. And the leaves turn yellow fast. Here's how to fix it. Rinse the leaves. Remove the heavily damaged ones. Then spray with a neem oil solution or a proper insecticide. Repeat every 5 to 7 days until the plant recovers. If this tip helped you, please give the video a like. Cause number 3. Your plant is root bound, completely out of space. When the roots have nowhere to grow, the plant starts shutting down and the leaves turn yellow. The fix is simple. Repot into a slightly bigger pot. Loosen the roots gently and refresh the soil with a healthy, draining mix. Now tell me, which one of these causes do you think is happening to your plant right now? Comment below. I'll help you figure it out. Share this video with your plant-loving friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe. May your plants stay green strong and always happy.